doctor that made this straw that takes away hiccups. It's featured on Shark Tank and it's called Hickaway. It's pretty simple to use. There's an adult and a child setting that you just click it onto, stick it into a glass with some water, and then you suck really hard through about 2 to 3 times. I've done clinical studies on this and it's been proven effective 92% of the time, which is pretty amazing. If you or someone you know gets hiccups quite a bit, the Hickaway is the perfect answer for that. It's got a 25% discount on the TikTok shop right now, so click the bag and check that out.